Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this episode I'm going to be showing you how I created the skeletal look using zip. So here's my Be My Dado foundation, but I just want to make his skin look really light because of the kind of look I'm trying to create. So that's why I'm using the foundation that's really light for him. And I'm just blending the foundation into his skin. And I'm using my Beach Charm Ageless powder palette. I'm going to be using the translucent powder in there to set the foundation. Basically just setting the foundation.
No one completes me more than you. If I don't get you, it's like the
next step is to use my gel liner. You can use any gel liner for this to draw the skeletal look I'm creating.
It's like faith without belief, like a heart without a beat.
Yeah, I'm drawing the brows using the black gel liner.
Waiting be love if you know show.
Basically, you're just going to use the black gel liner to map out the skeletal features.
I never knew. Say one day now you will go be mine forever. I want you so completely. Oh my baby, oh, you all about me, Larry, oh, you make me smile. Nobody loves you more. Nobody loves you more than me, my baby, my baby. Who's telling me wrong?
Just follow this step. The way I follow the way I drew it, like on the face, and trust me, it's not so easy, but it's easy. You can just follow the same steps I used.
Cause I need you in my life. If I don't get you, it's like faith without belief, like a heart without a beat. What's a heart without a beat?
They were just gisting. Remember to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and also drop a comment. Drop your comments rather. Okay, I'm just mapping out the nose here.
If I don't get you, it's like the sky without the stars. Oh, oh, I need you in my life. If I don't get you, it's not love if we're apart. If I don't get you, what did I go do? 'Cause I need you in my life.
There's actually a twist to this look, so I'd appreciate if you watch to the end so you can find out what magic we created. I'm sure you guys must be wondering why this particular part of the face is not painted yet and all that, but watch to the end to see some magic.
The word around town is that you're back in town, and I try not to think about it. I try, but it's been so long. And
I had to forward some parts because the video is really long, so I had to really forward some parts of the video, so that you guys can watch it without getting tired. And
but oh, if I set my eyes on you, it's unavoidable. I'll come undone. Oh, I thought you were gone for good. So why you have to pull me back? Should be you say.
Now I'm just going to go in with my CPD Heritage Eyeshadow Palette, Certified Eyeshadow Palette. I'll be using this palette to set that areas where I made use of the black liner, and also to create shadows on some part of the face.
Waiting you do wrong, 'cause you knew all along.
I'm just gently applying it on certain areas just to give it depth, to give it shadows.
Try, your heart is too strong. Can't be with you and can't be without you. Didn't we say I want wonder why you even come. Oh, it's almost like you're having fun with me.
Basically just setting those areas that I applied the black eyeliner. I'm sure you can see the difference now. The purpose of this is to make it pop, to make it look really dark, and to also prevent the black eyeliner, to prevent it from creasing. So I went back in with my black gel liner here. This is me sculpting the face. It's taking out part of his face to get that skeletal look.
Tell me why you come back, share you won't make I back my load you. Tell me why you come back. Tell me why. Share you won't make I back. You won't make I run, oh baby,
Now I move to the next part, second part of the face. I'm just going to draw a little bit of the same thing I have on the right hand side, on the left. So I know they won't be doing too much here because there's no much space. We've taken up most of the space on the right. I decided to use a lighter, another really light shade of foundation for this part of his face. I'm just blending that. I had to cut out some part of it, like it wasn't really necessary. So this is just me applying the foundation and blending it into the skin, then setting it again with the translucent powder from my Bicham Ageless powder palette. Let me see how matte it looks now. Then next thing I go in with my Flawless Ivy lip stain. It's a red color lip stain, one of their red lip stains. I'm just using that to draw a little shape of love inside on that part of the face.
I forgot totally.
You can see I used a smaller brush for this.
I love him too. My man call me honey, I call him boo. But my neighbor no like me, I hate him too. A man call me stupid, I call him fool. Cause I forgot how to love the way you asked me to. Remind me.
I'm done drawing most of the love, so I'm just showing you this part because it's a repeated steps. That's why I had to like cut part of it off. So this is just it. So if you have a lip brush, your lip brush would work perfectly for this. Don't forget to subscribe please and leave a thumbs up. Also drop your comments. If you have any questions, just ask me in the comment section.
I forgot how to give those who are in need. So selfish of me.
My model is feeling this look.
Even when it got too hard,
next thing I do, I go in with the silver eyeshadow in my CPD eyeshadow palette, and I just use it to define that white part of the eyes. Like because I want it to pop, so I just apply that on it. Now it's time to place the zip. I made use of Yoo-hoo gum. I don't know if I pronounced that well, so I made use of that to place the zip on that part I mapped out.
Remind me how to
and we are done. So this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. I want to know your interpretation of this look in the comment section. Kindly drop your comments and I'll be there to respond to each and every one of your questions also. I hope you love this look. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give a thumbs up.